You have 47 unread emails, 2 reports due, 1 more meeting to survive, and somehow it's already 3 p.m. Where did the morning go? I used to lose about 10 hours a week to tasks I thought just took time. Writing emails, cleaning up meeting notes, summarizing documents, preparing updates I'd already said out loud 3 times. And here's what surprised me. ChatGPT can do most of that. Not later, not vaguely, in seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to write emails in seconds, generate subject lines, turn emails into checklists, clean up messy notes, and summarize long documents into a few clear bullets. And stay with me, because the last one, that alone can save you an entire evening. Follow along with the live demos on screen. Pause anytime to screenshot the prompts. I'm Natalie, and for the past 3 years, I've been testing AI tools so you don't have to figure them out alone. On this channel, I share the simplest way to start, no tech background needed. Let's fix email first. Let's be honest, email struggle is real, at least for me. You open a new email, blank screen. How do I start? Am I too formal, too casual, too direct? And then 20 minutes later, you're still on your first email. So let's fix that. How do you write a professional email in 30 seconds? First, don't overthink it. And this might feel a little strange at first. Just write a rough draft. Don't worry about grammar, tone, or structure. Just get your thoughts out to ChatGPT, and it will clean it up. Just give clear instructions. What tone do you want? Professional, friendly, direct? What is your goal? Because this is where the magic actually happens. More context, better result. And this is my favorite part, voice instructions. And honestly, this feels a little like cheating. If no one is around, I just press the microphone and talk. No structure, no perfect sentences, just thoughts. And somehow ChatGPT understands everything, sometimes better than people. Now, when you get the response, remember that's your first draft. You need to review and finalize it. Let me show you a real example. I ask, write a professional email to a client explaining that the deadline needs to be moved by 3 days. Keep it polite and clear, and within seconds, done. Structured, professional, clean. But here's the part most people skip, and it's why their emails still don't sound right. The first response? That's just your first draft. So always review it. Adjust the tone to match your style. Double check the facts and details, and remove any emojis or extra formatting that might scream AI. And here's a simple trick that makes a huge difference. Ask it to make it sound more natural, more conversational, or less AI. You'll be surprised how much better it gets. And one more thing, this is important. Don't share any confidential information. Now, let's go one level up, because this is where it gets really useful. You open your inbox in the morning, and there's an email from your boss marked urgent. Multiple tasks, everything needed today, review reports, talk to sales, analyze campaign, provide recommendations, all in one email, of course. So what do? You don't panic. You let ChatGPT help you think clearly. Copy and paste the email into ChatGPT or attach it and give it a clear instruction like this. Draft a concise and professional reply to this email. Acknowledge the request and confirm priorities for today. Clearly separate tasks into items that will be delivered by end of day and items that may require additional time, such as collecting customer feedback from the sales team and forming recommendations. Offer a realistic timeline for follow-up. And in seconds, you have a structured, calm, professional response. Now watch this. I will ask ChatGPT to rewrite this email to make it sound collaborative and proactive, while still setting realistic expectations. Done. Next, let me use Mike. Suggest 3 subject lines. Keep them action-oriented. I got it. Finally, turn this email into a checklist for me. Yes, ma'am. You can adjust tone based on your relationship. More formal, more friendly, more direct. That part is still yours. Now, this one is a lifesaver. Messy meeting notes, you know the ones. Random bullets, half sentences, no structure, no idea what you wrote, and somehow you're expected to send meeting minutes within 24 hours. Here's what you do. Take a photo of your notes with your phone, upload it to ChatGPT. Ask, turn this into structured meeting minutes with key decisions, action items, owners, and deadlines. And just like that, you have clean, organized notes. You review, adjust, send. And yes, you suddenly look very organized. Now stay with me because this is the one I use the most, summarizing long documents. You get a 100+ page document, code of conduct, SOP, or industry guidelines. You need to read it, understand it, and maybe even act on it. And you're staring at page one thinking, where do I even start? This is where ChatGPT really shines. Upload the document, and again, only if it's not confidential, and ask it. Read the entire code of ethical practices, 120 pages document. Summarize only what applies to consumer advertising. Focus on what is allowed, what is not allowed, key rules, claims, tone, disclosures, targeting, any guidance for regulated or health related products. Structure the output as allowed, not allowed, required elements, key takeaways. Keep it concise in plain language. And within seconds, you have a clear, structured summary. You review it. And yes, it looks like you spent hours reading. Final tips. And this is what most people skip. If you want better results, don't give vague instructions. Give context. Who is this for? What is your goal? What tone do you want? Not vibes, context. That's the difference between an okay answer and something you'll actually use. If you're tired of spending your evenings catching up on emails, this is just the beginning. Subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll keep showing you the simplest ways to save hours every single week.